Jagdeep Bharagava, Principal of the School, Dr. K.C. Chaturvedi, respected colleagues and dear students. A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. We have gathered here to facilitate the achievers who have won numerous medals in various events like wrestling, archery, boxing, and so on. So that's why we can say that it's a special assembly today. I congratulate all the achievers, to the parents, to the teachers for achieving such a grand success. First of all, please give a big round of applause for those achievers who have won numerous medals for the school. I welcome all of you on the auspicious occasion of this felicitation ceremony of the students who came out in flying colors by winning numerous medals in various events, whether it's wrestling, archery, discus throw, boxing, and so on. I heartily congratulate all the achievers, their parents, their grandparents. Bravo! You have got such a remarkable victory and brought laurel in various games for the school, for the parents, for the state, and for the nation. Please give a big round of applause for the achievers again. I would like to draw attention on these lines. खामोशी से बस तू मेहनत करता जा, खामोशी से बस तू मेहनत करता जा, अगर तेरी काबिलियत में दम है तो तेरी कामयाबी ही काफी है दुनिया में शोर मचाने के लिए. प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज अगेन. मोहम्मद अली, world heavyweight champion of boxing, said, champions are not made in gyms. Champions are not made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. Obviously, what our heroes have done is the outcome of their persistent endeavors. But dear students, sky is limitless. आसमां और भी है. So you have to do more to achieve for the nation. Now I would like to request Secretary of the School, Shri Jagdeep Bharagava, to say a few guidelines, something motivational for the achievers, for the students who brought laurels for the school and for the parents. Please come, sir. Thank you.
All of us are very happy to know that Himanshu has got 3 gold medals in archery. And performed so well in shot put, and Jyoti Birwal participated in the World Wrestling Championship in Albania. And other than that, there were 3 more people in the archery, 3 more students in the archery who did extremely well. One was Sumit, Tanuj, and Pratibha. So we must clap for all of them for their achievements. Then in the boxing north zone, Gunjan, Garbika, Janu and Anjali, they have done exceedingly well and brought laurels to the school. Dekhiye, while addressing you and also the achievers, I would like to tell one thing to the achievers, that when they stand at the victory stand, when they come to stand at the victory stand, all of us know that there are 3 positions, 1, 2 and 3. The one who bags the gold medal, he or she has to maintain that seat, that stand. So he has to work very hard to maintain that seat. Why? Because the players at number 2 and number 3, they are resolute to come to number 1. So I will suggest the ones who have won gold medal to carry on with their hard work, to exploit their talent and work every day. And at the same time, number 2 and number 3 should remain always as resolute. They should resolve to come to that position of number 1. Archery में all of us have heard of a story about एकलव्य, गुरु द्रोणाचार्य के शिक्षक थे एकलव्य, जिन्होंने अकेले सीखा किया। और मुझे कुछ ये वाक़या याद आता है, ये जो बच्चा आर्चरी में हिमांशु जो प्राइज लेकर आया है, मैं स्कूल में बहुत शुरू से ऐसे ही सैर करने के लिए आया करता था। तो एक बारी को स्कूल के गेट पर खड़ा था, उसको स्कूल में गेट में इजाजत दी थी अंदर में खेलने की, क्योंकि he had probably not sought permission from the principal. देखिए, to maintain the discipline in the school, you have to seek permission to play a game or to whatever you want to pursue. फिर मैंने प्रिंसिपल साहब से रिक्वेस्ट की कि जी इनको एक ऐसा let us assign a corner where many children are not coming because it can be perilous. There can be a danger of the तीर जैसे होता है, तीर किसी को लग जाए उसका डर होता है, तो इसलिए it can be perilous. So let us assign him a corner, and he was assigned a place next to the principal's residence. और उसने बड़ी मेहनत की, and I would watch him every day while having the walk there, that he would come every morning and work hard on that. तो एक ऐसा एकलव्य था जिसने तैयारी कर करके इसको साधा और अपना पहला निशाना जीता और पहला गोल्ड मेडल लिया। जो ये अचीवर्स हैं, मैं इनको चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा कि दे शुड नॉट कैरी द एरोगेंस। वो घमंड ना आए, उनको गर्वित जरूर होना चाहिए, गर्व जरूर करें अपनी अचीवमेंट का, इतना अच्छा करने का और अच्छा करने का पक्का इरादा भी करें, पर घमंड ना आए इस बात का कि मैं बहुत आगे पहुँच गया। चाहे वो बच्चा बॉक्सिंग का हो, चाहे वो आर्चरी का हो, चाहे वो एथलेटिक्स का हो। मैं एक चीज़ इनसे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन से शेयर करना चाहूँगा। हम सभी जानते हैं कि अनिल कुंबले एक बहुत अच्छे बॉलर थे। दिल्ली के फिरोजशाह कोटला ग्राउंड में जब क्रिकेट का मैच हो रहा था तो उन्होंने 10 विकेट ली थी, 10 विकेट्स बाय जस्ट 1 बॉलर। और कभी अपने घर में, जहाँ वो उनका होम टाउन है बैंगलोर में एक फेट पे गए हुए थे, मेले में गए हुए थे, अपनी फैमिली के साथ घूम रहे थे। तो जो people who were managing that fete, who were managing that affair, they noticed that Anil Kumble was around. So somebody got very excited, went to the mic and said, "Oh, all of us should be very happy that Anil Kumble is here with his family." And he is the same Anil Kumble who had taken 10 wickets at Firozshah Kotla. और बड़ी उनकी तारीफ की। आप देखिए अनिल कुंबले साहब की क्या मॉडेस्टी थी, उनकी मॉडेस्टी देखिए, उनका विनम्रता देखिए कि अनिल कुंबले स्टेज पर आए और उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए हर कोई मेरी उन 10 विकेटों की बात करता है, पर उन फिरोजशाह कोटला के इमीडिएटली बाद कलकत्ता के ईडन गार्डन में भी मैच हुआ था, क्रिकेट मैच, वेयर आई कुड जस्ट मैनेज विद 1 विकेट। तो इसने हमें वी शुड नॉट लिव ऑन आवर पास्ट अचीवमेंट्स, पास्ट लॉरेंस, पास्ट ग्लोरी, और जो हमने पुराने मेडल लिए हैं या पुरानी उन पर ना रहें और हम आगे की ओर देखें। तो मैं इन सभी अचीवर से, इन सभी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन से कहना चाहूँगा कि अब आप ये ना देखें कि हमने क्या पा लिया, वो बात हिस्ट्री हो गई, दैट इज बिकम हिस्ट्री नाउ। अब देखिए हम आगे और क्या कर सकते हैं। तो ये आगे करने की चेष्टा करें, कोशिश करें और आगे बढ़ें। और आप भी बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए इन्होंने एक इंस्पिरेशन दी है कि वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू परस्यू लाइफ में, जो भी आप करना चाहें कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर बच्चों के, इनके पेरेंट्स भी आए हैं। मैं आई वुड लाइक टू क्लैप फॉर द पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी है किसी भी अचीवमेंट के लिए उनके पेरेंट्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है। ये इनको प्लेयर्स को भी समझना चाहिए, क्योंकि बच्चे को समय से उठाना, गेम के लिए भेजना, उसको पूरा आराम भी देना, उसके हिसाब से डाइट देना, उसके ऊपर जो स्ट्रेसेस होते हैं, टेंशन होती है ऑफ नॉट हैविंग डन सो वेल, उसके प्रेशर को संभालना। मैं समझ सकता हूँ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं उनको बहुत, उनके बाद बहुत प्रेशर होता है और उनके साथ उनको जाना। तो इसी बात के साथ हम सब क्लैप करेंगे और थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। I'm very happy to know that Yashika has achieved first position in solo dance competition. Clap for Yashika. Yashika, I have seen you performing your dance. You perform very naturally. Most of the people who train themselves, they have mechanical moves, but your moves are very natural. Keep it up and go ahead in life. Do well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to tell what Honorable Sir was saying about Yashika. Yashika has got gold medal in zonal level. Please give a big round of applause for her. I request Honorable Secretary of the school, Shri Jagni Bhargava, to please come and give prizes to the achievers. Please come, sir. Firstly, Jyoti Berwal. Give a big round of applause for Jyoti Berwal. I would like to tell about her achievements. Jyoti Berwal, student of class plus 2 arts, brought honor to the school by winning silver medal in World Wrestling Championship organized. Give a big round of applause. By United World Wrestling Organization at Republic of Albania, located in southeastern Europe. Last year, she participated in school state wrestling championship. Moreover, she participated in sub-junior state wrestling championship and secured first and third position respectively. Besides, she has secured remarkable position in cadet Grand Prix National Wrestling Championship and Junior Grand Prix National Wrestling Championship. Now, Oshin Jagla, student of class 10, brought laurel to the school by winning silver medal in under 17 girls discus throw event in CPSC National Athletic Meet held at MC Goyal Girls School right at Cricket. Then Himanshu, another rising star of the school is Himanshu of class plus 1 arts, who brought laurel to the school by winning 3 gold medals in succession in under 17 CPSC National Archery Championship held at Social Daluni Public School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and both selected for Khelo India Games. Put your hands together. It is remarkable that Himanshu brought honor to the school last year also by winning gold medal in 37th Haryana State Archery Championship under Khelo Haryana. Again, it's a matter of pride that Himanshu won gold medal in CBSE North Zone Archery Championship, CBSE National Archery Championship last year also. Next is Pratibha. Pratibha, the student of class 8, brought laurel by winning gold medal. Class 10 brought laurel by winning gold medal in under 17 compound archery event in CBSE National Archery Championship. Then please come Tanuj. Tanuj of class 8 brought laurel by winning gold medal in under 17 compound archery event in CBSE National Archery Championship. Please welcome Sumit of class plus 1 arts, brought laurel by winning bronze medal in under 17 CBSE National Archery Championship. Yes, bronze every day. Namkanin Josh student, Josh achiever, who won gold medal and silver medal and bronze medal in various under 17 CBSE North Zone Boxing Championship. Gunjan of class 10 won gold medal in Boxing Championship under 17 CBSE North Zone Boxing Championship, which was held at Ludhiana. Now I would like to call upon Garvika which was held at Ludhiana. Another achiever is Janu, student of class 9, who won silver medal in under 17 CBSE North Zone Boxing Championship. Yes, with a huge round of applause. Now I would like to call upon Anjali of class 1R, who won bronze medal in the same event, that is under 17 CBSE North Zone Boxing Championship, which was held at Ludhiana. Thank you very much. Thank you, parents. I thank all the parents that they have joined this felicitous ceremony and graced the occasion. Thank you very much.
वक्त न ठहरा है, ये वक्त न ठहरेगा, यूं ही ये गुजर जाए तो घबराना कैसा। ये वक्त न ठहरा है, ये वक्त न ठहरेगा, यूं ही ये गुजर जाए तो घबराना कैसा। हिम्मत से काम लेंगे, घबराना कैसा। हिम्मत से काम लेंगे, घबराना कैसा।